Running right into nutrition tool number 2 of 4 in your starter kit to lose fat efficiently. It definitely measures up to the importance of scaling your progress. If you missed the first step, no worries. I'm attaching the link to the end of this video so you can review it. But step 2 that you can't be successful without is scale your food. Understanding volume over density is dandy as in step 1. But the biggest slap to the face is facing the facts about your consumption, is the serving sizes. A food weighing scale is important for 2 main reasons. First reason, to ensure that your log and journaling is accurate. Remember the peanut butter example? 32 grams is 1 serving. It's too easy to overserve foods like this. And secondly, to begin to understand what serving sizes actually look like. You don't want to use a food scale for the rest of your life, but until you reach your goal, it's a highly recommended idea. Truth is, 9 out of 10 of my new nutrition clients are blown away with how much they're actually eating versus a serving size. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss a message or a minute. I'm digging my way to something better.